Hi, I'm Cole Taylor of Stupiddeeds, and earlier today I was playing the new Smash Bros. For Wii U, and we were both playing as Mario. I was playing as regular Mario, and Josiah of Stupiddeeds, filming right now, was playing as Dr. Mario, and we made a bet that whoever won was the King of the Marios, and I won, so I'm the King of the Marios. But Josiah lost, and we felt like that just losing and not being the King of the Marios wasn't enough. He had to do a dare, and so now his dare is that well, you'll see what he has to look like, but basically he has to walk down the street carrying this. And, Josiah, I'm pretty sure you know what to do on what you have to look like.
Hey, Josiah Stupiddeeds, and I have to walk down the street like this. Okay?
Alright, let's do it.
Let's go.
I'll be filming, getting in on the action here. Like if you think he's sexy.
I hope I get lots of honks. Stomach is ready.
Hold it to view. Hold it to view. Oh, he didn't honk.
Oh, come on, man. I'm pretty hot. I don't know what you're talking about. This is pretty hot.
Oh wait, maybe that car. Hey, go and view to the car over there.
Come on, honk. Honk. Honk.
Oh,
man, no
fuck
one's
you.
honking. I guess I'm not as sexy as I thought, huh?
Oh, well, there's a car over there. Ew. Oh, just cross over.
Walk down the street.
We're going that way?
Yeah, we're gonna go this way. We're gonna walk where the cars are. I gotta win the bet, man. I gotta do the bet.
I hope you get at least one honk. I mean, if you don't, you don't have to do it again. But
Okay. This right here. This is horrible. Oh god. No honk? Oh man. Nobody's honking, man. Nobody's honking, bro. I guess. Oh shit, hold on my shirt. Hold on. Hold it. Okay.
okay, like. Oh yeah!
Yes! Thanks!
Oh man.
I got one honk, guys! One honk, guys!
Oh. What if it was a cleaning lady?
Oh, dude. Come on, honk! Oh, yeah!
Go, oh man.
Yeah! Woo! Yes! 2 honks, man! 2 honks! Sweet mayonnaise! I got 2 of those suckers, man! Yeah! Oh, yeah, 2 honks, man! 2 honks. Alright, how's the video time going?
We got 3 minutes in.
Alright, cool, 3 minutes. Let's make this at least 5 minutes. We don't have very long video. Come on! Woo! Yeah!
Yeah!
No one's home. Oh! Yeah! Woo!
Oh, if you think I'm sexy.
Oh, dude, my dick needs constant adjustment for some reason.
Ew, why would you say that on camera?
Why not, man? Stupid deeds.
Well, we are pretty stupid, and this is a deed.
Yep. Come on, man, nobody.
You got 2 honks, so.
2 honks, man, 2 honks. Yeah!
3, make that 3.
3, man. I think I'm doing pretty good.
Oh god.
Alright. We're not really getting anywhere with this. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pause the video here and we're gonna go in to a convenience store. Because why not, you know? Why not? Alright, so we'll be back in a second. Stupid Deeds here. Apparently no one wants to let an, half-naked guy come into their gas station. So we're gonna do a part 2 of that, and we're back home and everything. Because people at gas stations are buttholes. So
yeah. And if you're watching this, gas station guy,
screw you. Hope we don't get in trouble for that. Alright, well, till next time, destroy the like button. Comment, subscribe. See you later.